Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. Second regular puzzle is a four stars Sudoku. Four stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Monday, August the 19th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three stars Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: binary and a four stars Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Seven extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with these two regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, told you today is 317 days ago another war started, not in Ukraine but in Israel against Hamas, and the war is still going on. Yeah, and it will be difficult for a ceasefire. They are negotiating in Qatar, I believe. Anyway, let me continue with the puzzles. Enough about this war. It's 10 months, and the people there are suffering under the Israelis. Yeah. Anyway, this one will be number 911. Oh, no, 920. Yeah, 9120. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also 26 printed digits. Well, surprise. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle. Told you earlier. Need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, the publisher has indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 in the row above, no 4 there. Only place left for 4, it should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, so that column. Only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the second row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4, it should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4, okay. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 in the second row, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright. And now, which number can pick? Interesting. Well. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, 2 in the first row, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digital 3, number 2. Alright. Okay. Then, yeah. Which number? How about? I need 8 here. How about number? Well. 1, 8, 1, 9. Need a 9 here. 9 there. I think the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Yeah. I'm thinking. Thinking. Come on. No 5. Only 1 5. Come on. 5 1. You 1 here. 1 here. Well, here's 3 there. And 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 in this box. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. In the first column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. So 9 could be here, or there. Well, we see another 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. So we see a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, so no 9 there. Only place left for 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Alright, and now 1 5. 1 5 and a 6. I need a 6 here. What's happening? 1 5 6. 1 2 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 8. Well, we have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, could be there in this row. Here or there, we see another 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 5 and a 3. Need a 8 there, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so they'll come next. The only place left with 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, 1 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Okay. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left on 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this first row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. Need 1 here, need 1 there, yes. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 1. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, okay. Then let me see. 3. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left with 8. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so need a 3 here. 8, 8. Need 8 here. Need 8 there. Again with 8. Could be 8. Could be 8. Well, need 8 here. Need 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first row. No 8 in this box. 8 in this column. No 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square. Could be here. Could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 8 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here. Could be there. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here. Could be there. So we have a 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be an 8 and more. That box should be an 8. Alright. Then, let me think. Need a 6 here. 6. 6 and the 5. Come on. 5, need a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So on the third column, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9. Need a 9 here also. Alright. 3, 6. 3, 3, 6. Need a 5. 3 and a 6. Okay, 3 and 6. 3, 6, and a 5. Here, give me 6. In this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in this column is the number 6. Here, give me 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. Here, give me 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. Only place level 6 in this column should be there. 3 and the 6. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in the last row. So the row between the only place level 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 5. 6 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 5 and 3. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number. I believe the 5, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Yeah, 5 is missing. 5 in this row, third row. 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and 8. Yeah, cannot fill this yet. That means here we have a 1 and a 9 in the second row. We have the other pair, the 3 and 8 are left. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. the 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left now in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. 5 and 8, we have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes in there. Alright. 1 box left in the second column for number, I believe the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left of 9 should be there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finishes in 16 minutes. Well, it took me a little bit longer than the previous Sudoku, but we solved it again. And I like this one, yes, so we do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. Alright, definitely at 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle. The binary puzzle is left. Until then, bye-bye for now.